What's going on, Chevy Kings TV family, man? Welcome back. We got another episode for you guys. On this episode, guys, I'm gonna be telling you guys about my big brake kit that I bought. It's made by Baer. It's the track 4 piston brake caliper kit. Come with all the essentials, everything you need. I'm gonna be showing you guys some camera footage of the different parts that comes with it. Right now, you're looking at the 2.5 drop spindles from Classic Performance Parts. Modular spindles. The original spindles will not fit, guys. You have to get modular spindles for everything to mount up. You can also see the brake caliper mounts in between each spindle. So guys, you make sure you get the modular spindles, guys, if you want to go with the Baer big brake kit for the front or the rear. Okay guys, we back again. Okay guys, these are the billet aluminum hubs. These hubs come with the bearings already included, already packed with grease, ready to go, man. Quality products. It also come with an option you can get ARP studs or standard studs. I decided to go with standard studs in the front, but I will be getting ARP studs for the rear. So I just wanted to give you guys a close-up view of what these look like front and back, man. Comment below and let me know what you think. Okay guys, now it's down to the nitty gritty. That's the 13-inch rotors for the front. I also got it, they slotted and drilled, and I also got it with zinc. As you can see, you see the Baer brake calipers. That's the color of those calipers are fire red. And they also come with brake pads also. The part number for those are D749 if somebody need a replacement. I'm just throwing it out there. You never know who need these, who looking or don't know or anything like that. But it's the same brake pads that comes on a 98, I believe, through a 2002 Chevy Camaro or Firebird. I love these calipers, man. They beautiful 4-piston calipers, man. The color is, man, it don't get no better than that. I was stuck between that and red, but when I seen the fire red, I couldn't resist it, man. The brakes quality, excellent. Like I said, they come with zinc, man. I ain't gonna have brake dust all over. It's quality products, man. I mean, for $2,000, man, it better be right. But I just wanted to give you guys a bird's eye view, man, of what this stuff look like, man. And I hope you guys like it. Okay, now we down to the end. The kit also comes with stainless steel brake lines, billet aluminum caps with the O-rings with it, everything you need to bolt this thing up, man. All the hardware, man. It comes with everything. You will not be missing nothing when it comes down to this kit, guys. So, like I say, I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update on this big brake kit, man. You're running big rims, you got to be able to stop, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Thanks.